So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram. How do we solve a DP question? We always do this thing, right? We take an array like this. For index I, we define DPI as the best answer for the array till index I. Best answer for the array till index I. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that we always start with this basic structure where we assume that till index I, DPI will tell you the best answer to the question till index I. We don't consider anything after index I. DPI will only tell you the best answer if you consider the elements from index 1 to index I. Use one based indexing. Then guys, what is the next step in DP? You have the array, you created DPI also. Now what is the next step? You have to create a general formula. In stylish manner, people call it as transition formulas. Transition. So general formula, you have to find dp of I equal to, it can be anything in terms of dpi minus 1 or dpi minus 5. Dpi will be a general formula in terms of previous dp values. Previous dp values. Okay. Once you have this general formula, write the general formula in a for loop. This is the for loop. And here you will write dpi equal to whatever formula you have. This for loop will run from 1 to n. Finally guys, what will be the final answer? Can anyone tell me in the chat? If the array is of size n, what will be the final answer? Dp of n. Dp of n will be the final answer, which will tell you the best answer for the array from index 1 to index n. In short, now you know the best answer from start till the end. Because first to calculate dp of 1, then dp of 2, then dp of 3, till dp of n. I hope all this is clear to you. Let's go ahead. Everyone write ready in the chat. 69 people in the meeting. Congratulations. The only thing you are good at. Now, jokes apart. Now, guys, this thing is clear. Now, let's talk about partition DP. Partition DP. Partition DP has been taught in the course 25 times. Everyone write in the chat how many times partition DP is taught in the course. 25 बार. तो अगर आपने एक बार भी, अभी 26 बार हो जाएगा, 25 बार कोर्स में उसके हार्ड क्वेश्चन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के साथ अगर उसमें से एक भी किया है तो आपको ये आज का सेशन समझ आ जाएगा. So guys, what do we do in partition DP? These questions are coming a lot in OA also, so that's why it's very important to discuss this variation. So guys, total number or minimum number or maximum number of partitions of given array such that each part has a particular property. This is the meaning of partition DP. तो बात कुछ ऐसी है कि तुमको एक एरे दे दिया गया है. They are asking you the total number of ways to divide this array. To divide this array. Can anyone tell me how many ways are there to divide this array? Whenever someone is asking you total number of ways to divide the array, it means you have to apply partition DP. Partition DP will tell you the total number or minimum or maximum number depending on the question. The number of ways to divide some quantity can be done by partition DP. So can anyone tell me in the chat how many ways are there to divide this array? I am telling you, this is one way. Put 1 in first box, put 2 in second box, yeah. Then 3 in the third box, okay? Then 1, 2 in the first box, 3 in this box, then 2, 3 in this box, then all 1, 2, 3 in a one box. So guys, there are 4 partitions. How many partitions are there for array of size 3? Aniket, we can surely do that, but that's not efficient at all. Guys, how many partitions are there? Can anyone tell me? 4 partitions. This is one way, second way, third way, 4 way. So, what will be deep? This is index 1, index 2, index 3. What will be dp of 3? dp of 3 will tell you the number of ways with which you can divide an array of 3 number. dp3 ये बताएगा कि अगर एरे का साइज 3 है तो डिवाइड करने के कितने तरीके, 4, dp3 is 4. Is that clear to you? डायरेक्ट 4 मत लिखो, चैट में लिखो dp3 इक्वल टू 4 ताकि दिमाग में समझ आए कि dp3 का वैल्यू 4 है. रैंडमली नहीं हो रही है चीजें यहाँ पर. If I go back and I ask you dp2, Param, please tell me, if you only consider two numbers, Param, then how many ways are there to divide them? One way is put both of them in separate box or put both of them in same box. So there are two ways. Hence dp of 2 is 2. And for one number there is no way, only one way. 1 in one box. So dp of 1 is 1. Yes, yes. So dp1 is 1, dp2 is 2, dp3 is 3. 4. dp3 is 4. Now guys, if someone asks you that, hey, hello brother, you will tell him, hi, yeah. How many ways are there to divide this area? Okay. So first of all guys, what you can do is, let's talk about dp1. Okay, dp1. So guys, dp1 mein which way is coming? This way is coming, right? Where 1 is in the same box. In dp2 which way is coming? 1 in the same box, 2 in the other box, or 1 2 in the same box. Okay. In dp3 which ways are coming? You know the 4 ways. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that yes sir, these are the ways. You are telling the absolute truth sir. We agree with you. These are the ways for dp1, dp2, dp3. So guys, for dp of 4, there can be what type of ways? In one type of ways, you can put the 4 number in the last box. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that one way to divide this array of size 4 is to put 4 in the last box. Everyone agrees that one way is to put 4 in the last box. What is another way? Another way is to put 3 and 4 in the last box. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that another way is to put 3 and 4 in the last box. So if your array is of size 4, one way is put 4 in the last box. Another way is put 3 4 in the last box. Another way is put 2 3 4 in the last box. Another way is put 1 2 3 4 in the same box. So guys, when you put 4 in the last box, everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that we still need to know how many ways are there to divide the first three numbers. If you put the 4 in the last box, you still need to know na what to do with the first three numbers. Yes or no? Everyone write yes Abhirami, but it was not discussed in detail. तो गाइस अभी आप ही अपना दिमाग लगाइए, अगर 4 को लास्ट बक्से में डाल दिया तो ये तो जानना की जरूरत है ना कि पहले 3 नंबर को डिवाइड करने के कितने तरीके हैं. पहले 3 नंबर को डिवाइड करने के कितने तरीके ये थे? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. You are going to learn something new today. Seems like there is some issue. Just a second. Wait. Uff. Jamboard stopped working. Oh my goodness. So for an array of size 4, if you put 4 in the last box, you need to know na how many ways are there to divide the first three numbers. 1, 2, 3. You know there are 4 ways like this, right? 4 ways are there, which is nothing but dp of 3. Hence, the number of ways to divide 4 numbers is dp of 3 only. When is the answer dp of 3? When you are fixing 4 in the last box, then all you need to know is the number of ways to divide first three number, which is dp of 3. अगर इसके अंदर से 4 नंबर को लास्ट बॉक्स में डालोगे तो सिर्फ ये जानने की जरूरत है कि पहले 3 नंबर को डिवाइड करने के कितने तरीके थे. If you are given an array of size 4 and you decide to put the fourth number in the last box, then you only care about the first three numbers, which is nothing but dp of 3. So one way is this. What is another way? Another way is to keep 4 and 3 in the last box. If you keep 4 and 3, 3 and 4 in the last box, now you only need to know the number of ways to divide the first two numbers, which is dp of 2. What is another way? You keep 2, 3, 4 in the last box. Another way is you keep 2, 3, 4 in the last box. Then you only need to know the number of ways to divide the first element, which is dp1. What is another way? You put all the numbers in the same box. Then there is no way left. You need to know the number of ways to divide 0 element, which is dp0. dp0 is 1. There is no other way. So dp4 is nothing but dp3 plus dp2 plus dp1 plus dp0. So guys, everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that the formula like dp4 is nothing but dp3 all the previous numbers, dp2 dp1 plus dp0. So guys, what is the general formula for any dpi? dpi minus 1 dpi minus 2 plus dp of 0. That's it. So if you run this formula, dp of n will tell you total number of ways to divide an array. Got it guys? Clear? Yeah, everyone write agreed and CLR if they understood this thing. Everyone understood, na? Am I going in the right direction? Okay, Mariam. So I want to discuss something else now. So listen to me carefully. Have this document with you. So guys, what is the general concept of solving a partition DP problem? Nadela, what is the general concept of solving partition DP problem? DP of I will always tell you the total number of partition till index I of the array. So this is your array, this is index I. DP of I will tell you what? Total number of ways to divide the array till index I. Total number of ways to divide the array till index I. So what is the solution for that? Try all different ways. Which are the different ways, by the way? One way is to one way to divide is to keep the ith element in a separate box and divide rest of the I minus 1 elements, which will be dpi minus 1. Another way is to put I minus 1 and I in the last box and divide rest of the I minus 2 elements, which is dpi minus 2. Like this till dp0. So I hope that you got the gist that we always fix the last part. Whenever solving a partition DP problem, na, you fix the last part. Let's say your last part is j to I. You will fix it. You will fix it. And you will say that your answer is nothing but the number of ways to divide the rest of the part. Rest of the part is nothing but dpj minus 1. Everyone write in the chat, fix the last part, fix the last part if they agree that in partition DP problems we always fix the last part and then we say answer is nothing but the number of ways to divide rest of the part. Everyone needs to write in the chat, fix the last part, fix the last part, fix the last part, fix the last part. Puneet, is that clear to you, Aryan Rohela? Okay. So guys, read this document. It is written here also. that DPI is nothing but put the last number in the last box uh, plus DPI minus 1, which is DPI minus 1 only, or put the last two number in the last box और plus DPI minus 2. ये प्लस ऐसे ही लिखा है, इसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. This plus does not hold any significant meaning. It just shows that either DPI minus 1 or sum with DPI minus 2, or put all the numbers in the last box plus DP0. If you do it in that fashion, guys, then surely you will be able to do it brilliantly, by the way. Okay, so the thing is that we can use this partition DP. Everyone tell me, guys, what problem were we able to solve using this partition DP for array of size n? What problem are we able to solve? Right in the chat now. ये partition DP हमको ये array of size n का क्या बता रहा है? It is telling the total number of partitions of the array. Everyone write in the chat. Total number of partitions in the array. Total number of partitions of the array. Total number of ways to divide the array. But guys, do you think that any coding question will give, any exam will give you direct this simple question? Do you think any OA will just directly ask you total number of partition of array? No. Everyone write, they will give some condition. Everyone write. Along with the partition, they will give you some condition. Everyone write condition, condition, condition in the chat. They will never give you simple question. They will add some condition in this. In interview also, they will not directly ask Prasun Sarkar. They will give you some condition. What will be the condition? They will tell you that divide this array. Tell me the number of ways to divide this array. All questions will be of this type only, by the way, such that most of the times it will be of this type. पहले क्या बोल रहे थे कि बताओ कितने तरीके हैं एरे ऑफ साइज एन को डिवाइड करने के. अब ये बोलेंगे, याद रखना पहली बात तो इतने हार्ड क्वेश्चन कोई कराता नहीं है ओएसीपी लेवल के. मैं तुमको कराता हूं तो उसको ध्यान से यूज करो ताकि तुम्हारा थिंकिंग स्किल डेवलप हो और तुमको लाइफ टाइम तक दिक्कत ना आए. एनीवेज, given an array of size n, the total number of ways to divide n, or everyone knows. They will ask that total number of dividing the array such that each part is good. Each part is good. Everyone write. This is the condition they will always add in the exam. I will write it here also. Find the total number of ways to divide the array such that each part is good. Each part is good. Definition of good depends on the question. Depends on the question. In our case, it is sum of each part should be less than equal to m. So guys, now a condition has entered the chat. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Guys, they are tell us the total number of partitions such that each part sum is less than equal to 4. Can you guys tell me? Okay, let's start writing all the partitions. Now you will see the difference. Guys, tell me, is the first partition valid? Write yes or no in the chat. Is the first partition valid? Write yes or no in the chat. Write yes or no in the chat. Whoever is writing no, they are wrong. Why are you writing no, Ashish Khurana? First part is valid because all the numbers are having in the box sum less than equal to 4. 1 is less than equal to 4. 2 is less than equal to 4. 3 is also less than equal to 4. Part का मतलब समझते हो? Part is nothing but the box. Box is the part. Now guys, please tell, is this part valid? All the boxes should have the sum less than equal to 4. Yes, this 3 less than equal to 4. This box is having 1 and 2. The sum will be 1 plus 2, 3. Yes, less than equal to 4. This is also valid. This is also valid. Is the third part valid? ये third part valid है? Let's check. Okay, 1 is proper, less than equal to 4. 2, 3 is not less than equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. Even if one part is bad, the whole partition becomes bad. No, wrong, wrong, wrong. सबको नो लिखना है थर्ड पार्ट के लिए. समझे? थर्ड पार्ट अच्छा नहीं है बेटा. आपको कितनी बार सिखाऊं? हाँ ठीक है. Is the fourth part good, guys? Is the fourth part good? Can anyone tell why the fourth part is not good? Nadela, can anyone tell, or you can tell? Or Aryan Rohela, can you tell? Aryan students are always great, always working hard. Aryan नाम के 15 लोग का सिलेक्शन हो गया जब से प्रोग्राम चालू हुआ था. Anyways, because the sum is greater than 4. So the thing is that the sum should be less than equal to 4. Okay, great. So guys, what is the solution to this problem? How many ways are there to divide 1, 2, 3 such that each part is good, each part sum is less than equal to 4? Only two ways are there, blue color. Only blue color ways are good. So the answer is 2. Red color ways are wrong. Param, is that clear to you? That instead of 4 ways, this time only 2 ways are good, Param? So like this, in the question they will ask you total number of ways to divide such that each part is good. Definition of good can depend on the question. In our case, sum of each part should be less than equal to m. So guys, what will be the formula? What will be the formula, guys? One way to divide is put 3 at the last number, then put 2, 3 at the last number, then put 1, 2, 3 as the last number, right? So when you put this guy as the last number, what are the number of ways to divide rest of the part? It is dp of 2. Now, when you put 2, 3 in the last part, check if the last part is valid or not. Guys, is the last part valid? Is the last part valid? No. So you will not add this formula. ये इसकी value add ही नहीं करना है. Is this last part valid? So in this case, dp3 will be equal to dp2 only. No dp1, dp0. I hope everyone got the gist now. For example, everyone write ready, 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 ready in the chat if they are ready to calculate dp of 4 for this, assuming that sum of each part should be less than equal to 4. Write ready, 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 ready in the chat. I am teaching you how to calculate the formula. Number one ways are where you put 2 in the last part. So last part is fixed, which is 2. Is 2 valid, guys? Tell me yes or no. Fast. So how many ways will be there to divide the starting 3 elements? dp3. Now guys, can I put 1 and 2 in the last part? The number of ways, all the number of ways where 1 and 2 come in the last part. Is it valid? So dp of 2 will come here, right? The number of ways to divide the rest of the two numbers. Guys, is it allowed to put 2, 1, 2 in the last part? Will it be good? Will the sum be less than equal to 4? No. Can I put 2, 2, 1, 2 the whole in the same part? Yes or no, guys? So what is the answer? dp4 equal to only the guys which are valid. dp3 plus dp2. Everyone write understood, clear, brilliant. If all this is clear to them, the solution is very simple. आपको क्या करना है कि अगर आप इंडेक्स आई पर हो बेटा जी तो check all the parts. First check if this part is valid, then add its formula. If this part is valid, add its formula. If this part is invalid, don't add its formula. Clear? I will show you the code also for this. See, dp0 equal to 1. Now you are going from 1 to n. Always remember last part को हमेशा ऐसे ही check करते हैं. This is always your index I and you declare your j starts at I only. First your last part is this much, then your last part is this much, then your last part is this much. So from j to I is your last part. If the last part is valid, if the last part from j to I is valid, what will get added to the answer? Can any brilliant person tell me in the chat? If for your array j to I is valid, the part from index j to index I is valid, what will get added to your dp? dpj minus 1. Only Nadella was able to write it. Prasun, you are wrong. Nadela is correct. Shivankur, you are correct. Sachin, correct. Arshdeep, correct. Gautam, GMR, Asaransh, Param, correct. Ashish Khurana, correct. Amit, correct. Once the invalid part is found, yes, Arshdeep, correct, but not in all cases. Well, all the numbers are positive and sum is a monotonic function, right? Assuming all the array numbers are greater than equal to 0. Only in that case, because sometimes it can happen that, it might happen that this sum is not less than equal to 4, but here there is a negative number making it less than equal to 4. तो बच के रहना, गाना याद आ गया आपको हर्षदीप जी? बहुत ध्यान रखना है या बच के तू रहना. Now, so here the numbers can be anything. That's why in the code you can see that we are okay. We have done the breakup here. Okay, no problem. So j equal to, guys, you can see I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Okay. So how do we calculate dp of I when you are at index I? You declare a j equal to I. So first you consider this part. See, j equal to I. J will go till the start. Okay, when j equal to I, add this to the sum. Now sum is equal to b of I or b of j. If this sum is less than equal to 4 or less than equal to m, if this sum is less than equal to k, this is correct. You will add dpj minus 1. दिखती बात है. अगर if you put the last number in the last box and its sum is less than equal to 4 or less than equal to k, you will say that you are adding dpj minus 1 to the answer. J is equal to I, so this is dpi minus 1 actually. So this basically means that the last part, which is from index j to index I, is valid. If the last part is valid, dpi equal to dpi plus dpj minus 1. Okay, clear? And like this you will get dp of n and you can get the codes for time complexity is n square. You can optimize if there is a monotonicity involved. Okay, Java. Sir, why not j greater than equal to 0? Why not j greater than equal to 1? Ashish Kurana has given you the answer. We are considering array from 1, not 0. Because that's the best thing to do when you are doing OA or CP questions. J in interview you should use zero based indexing. I equal to 1 क्योंकि इंटरव्यूअर को तुम समझा नहीं पा रहे हो पाओगे क्यों कर रहे हो. इंटरव्यू में तुमको नडेला जैसे लोग क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. Why not one based, why not zero based indexing? इंटरव्यू में ऐसे काम नहीं करने. ठीक है, ओनली इन CPOA. So Nadella, you can be a good interviewer, but you have to become a good interviewee also to generate selections in the program. So I equal to 1, guys. Everyone right understood CLR. अब सब समझ गया है तो मैं आगे चलता हूँ. ऊबर ओए का क्वेश्चन में बहुत टाइम है अब तक. ये सब समझ आ गया आप लोग को? Can you see, this is basic stuff. I, then j is going till end. You considering the last part sum. If the sum is less than equal to k, add it. Done. Okay. Well, great job. Nice. Awesome. Now starts the actual fun. Guys, everyone write ready in the chat if they are ready with Kumar K sir to discuss the easy version of Uber OA problem. Easy version of Uber OA problem. Easy version. Uber is telling you tell true or false. Everyone tell in the chat. What is Uber telling you? True or false. Everyone tell what is Uber asking you for 60 lakh rupees in your bank account? 60 लाख रुपए चाहिए आपको बिना टैक्स के, तो ट्रू फॉल्स बताना है. सो उबर इज आस्किंग यू ट्रू और फॉल्स. Tell true if it is possible to divide the array. in a partition such that each part is good. Everyone write easy in the chat if they find this question easy. अरे सिर्फ ट्रू फॉल्स ही तो बताना. इज इट पॉसिबल टू डिवाइड द एरे सच दैट ऑल पार्ट्स आर गुड और नॉट? दैट्स इट. So if you find even one way, for example, this is your array. Let's say you find this way to divide the array. If both the parts are good, then you have to return true. Basically, just do whatever the heck you want and try to find a good partition where all the parts are good. अगर सब गुड है तो गुड ट्रू प्रिंट कर देना. और गाइज अगर सब गुड नहीं है तो क्या प्रिंट करोगे? फॉल्स. If you're not able to find even a single freaking partition which is good, then print false. Guys, do you want to know the definition of a good part? Here the definition of good part is different. Are you interested in knowing what is the meaning of the good part? So Salman Khan, Salman Khan in the meeting, where is Lawrence Bishnoi? So when is I to J good? Can anyone read this and make their mind in the chat? क्या कोई ये पढ़ के समझा सकता है कि गुड पार्ट का मतलब क्या है? लास्ट टाइम तो बहुत सिंपल था. दैट आई टू जे इज गुड इफ द सम ऑफ द नंबर्स फ्रॉम इंडेक्स आई टिल जे इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 4. पर इस बार ऐसा नहीं है. दिस टाइम आई टू जे इज गुड if I to j is good if whatever number is written, let's say 5 is written here, then here there should be 5 numbers. Then you can say that this whole part is good. A of I should be the length of I plus 1 to j. Correct. Bully Maguire. स्पाइडरमैन की याद आ गई. अब फिर से एग्जाम में फोकस कीजिए. So guys, now I will give you a part. You have to tell me if it is good or not. This is your I. This is your J. Everyone tell me in the chat. Good, not bad or good. Good or bad. 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 Can anyone tell me why it is bad? Bhavdeep, can you tell why it is bad? GMR आशु सौरभ अमित जागीरदार बैड है कि नहीं बताइए क्यों. अभिनव सिर्फ अच्छी डीपी से ज्वाइन कर रहे हो. आंसर चैट में कौन लिखेगा? यहाँ पर कोई लड़कियां नहीं देख रही है. आंसर लिखिए चैट में फास्ट. So the answer is yeah, correct. Because here it is a 4 is given. If 4 is given, then there should be 4 numbers here. 1 number, 2 number, 3, 4. But there are only 3 numbers, so it is wrong. How to make it correct? Instead of 4, you can write here a 3. Then this is good. Yes or no? Write in the chat. Is this good if I write a 3 here? Yes, because you have written 3 and there are 3 numbers also. So yes, Lord, yes. Everyone write ready in the chat if they are ready to tell me that the whole array can be divided in good parts or not. Tell me yes or no. Can you use your brain and divide this array into good parts? Good. Can you divide this array in a good partition? Write yes or no in the chat. Fast. Now tell me what will be those parts. Sachin Rajput ji, tell me. These will be the 2 good parts. This is how you do the good partition. This is the valid partition. Now you will return true. Oh, मजा आ गया. Yes. ये अच्छा क्यों है पहले ये बताओ चैट में. लिखो. Write in the chat. Why is that good? Because here there is a 3 and here there are 3 numbers. Yeah, correct. Here there is the first number is 2 and here there are 2 numbers. Okay, correct. Done, boy. Great job. Everyone tell me, can we solve this with partition DP algorithm? Yes or no? You define till index I. You will check if the last part is valid. You know how to check if valid or not. If valid, add DPI minus 1 to the answer. Similarly, your last part will keep on changing, right? J to I. Check if this is valid. If this is valid, you will add the number of ways to divide dpj minus 1. Yes or no, guys? Do you agree with what I'm saying? Write yes in the chat. Everyone write yes in the chat. So guys, let's go towards the n square algorithm, okay? So I will show it to you in front of your eyes. One based indexing I'm using. Can you see? I equal to 1, I less than equal to an I plus plus. DPI will return true such that it's possible to divide the array into good parts. So guys, how will you check if the last part is good or not? Can anyone tell me what will be the formula? This is your J, this is your I. So if B of J, when how do you know that J to I is good? If B of J is equal to length, then DPI equal to DPI plus the number of ways to divide the numbers till J minus 1. Now what is L? यहाँ पर जो भी नंबर है ना, that should be equal to the length, this much length from J plus 1 to I. So what will be your L? L will be the length from J plus 1 till I. The length from J plus 1 till I is nothing but what? I minus J. So if B of J is equal to I minus J, equal to I minus J, equal to I minus J, then तो काम बन गया ना. If B of J, if the number here is equal to this length, it means this part is good. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that this if condition tells you that the part from J to I is good. Everyone write agreed in the chat. I minus J नहीं, J minus I. सॉरी I minus J लिखना है. आई होप मैंने सही लिखा है. I minus J. अग्री करते हो? So guys, if J to I is good, now which other part needs to be good to make sure that everything till I is good? अरे J से I अच्छा है तो अब किसको चेक करना है? अब बस ये चेक करो कि 1 से J minus 1 गुड है कि नहीं. अगर ये भी गुड है और ये भी गुड है तो पूरा गुड है. So if B of J equal to L means last part is good. Now one more if condition. If dp J minus 1 is equal to true, this means that this part is also good and this part is also good. It means dp of I, the whole part, is also good. Write brilliant in the chat if you have realized the brilliant formula, and you can see that this partition dp can be used in thousands of ways in different problems. Infinite ways. Learn one trick, use at infinite places. आशीष खुराना दोनों को इंक्लूड नहीं करना है इसलिए ब्रिलियंट पार्टीशन डीपीओपी. यस, ग्रेट जॉब, ग्रेट जॉब. अब यहाँ पर देखो क्या लिखा है. सो इफ बी ऑफ जे इक्वल टू आई माइनस जे एंड इफ द लास्ट पार्ट इज जे टू आई, दिस इज मीनिंग व्हाट? जे टू आई इज गुड एंड दिस का मतलब क्या है? 1 to j minus 1 is good. Now you only think if 1 to j minus 1 is also good and j to I is also good, then 1 to I will also be good, na? Because 1 to I is formed with those two good parts. I know no one has ever explained you like that. Now, DPN will tell you true or false. If this is true, then yes, you can divide it into true parts. Sir, if there are two or more ways, Nadella, yes, very good. Let there be more ways. Now you are only considered about true or false. If there are thousand ways also, then also answer will be true only. Answer will be false if there is zero way, Nadella. Clear? For example, Nadella को ही लेते हैं चलो. Nadella, please tell me one of your thousand ways to divide this array into good part. Nadella, tell na. Is there any way, Nadella? Oh, Nadella ji, tell me, is there any way to divide this array into good parts? Or let's take the whole array. Is that also good? No. Is there any way, Nadella? So, Nadella, do you recognize that there can be zero ways also? So, if there are zero ways, your code will output false. If there are greater than equal to one ways, your code will automatically say true, man. You don't have to count the number of ways. You just have to trade true or false. So just relax. Yes, Satya Nadella is also coming in the sessions these days. Great job. He also needs DSA OACP training. So now, going back to the question. Jokes apart. So guys, this is done. So guys, we can do a optimization of this. Everyone write DP optimization. I will teach you people how to optimize. Okay. So what is happening is that you are writing this condition if b of j equal to I minus j. If you rewrite this, oh ho, you are now going to fall in love with me. B of j plus j is equal to I. Oh yeah. Guys, when will there be a bond between j and I? This is j and this is I. How do you know that this part is good? Just calculate b of j plus j at this point and just have the value of I at this point. So what you can do is for all the different j's, you know now the j's are coming from which index to which index. J's are coming from 1 till I minus 1, right? You can store all the bj plus j in a hash map. Then you can check how many of them are equal to I. Whoever is equal to I, well, that guy is going to give you the correct answer. Got my point? Got my point? Let's say this is 5, okay? P plus G. So guys, this is your index I. Everyone write feeling in the chat if they can feel this. Brilliant optimization है, right? हाँ अर्शदीप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. Guys, everyone write in the chat now. Can they feel this array? Index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the numbers are 8, 3, 2, 10 and number at 5 is let's say 55. Or let's say this is 5 only. Whatever it is, let's not consider. Let's ignore that. Can you see this? So guys, can you calculate j plus bj of all these things? Can you calculate? Write yes or no in the chat. Write yes or no in the chat. Write yes or no in the chat. Everyone tell me what is bj plus j for all of them. This is 9, 8 plus 1. This is 5. This is 5. This is 14. You are at index I. Now guys, what did I teach you? It will make relationship only with the guys who are having the same value of bj plus j with it. Who is having phi in this much part? Tell me. Whoever who if our index value is matching your bj plus j, then you can make a good part with us. So index 2 and index 3. So guys, instantly you can know that this part is also valid and this part is also valid. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, this is so easy and so nice at the freaking same time. So you can simply create a hash map, right? Hash map would tell you how many times that guy has come. Hash map would tell you simply how many times that guy has come. Or that here there would be bj plus j values and here would be their frequencies. So how would your hash map look like? It would say that 9 coming one time, 5 coming two time. Okay. 9 coming one time, 5 coming two time, and 14 coming one time. So when you are at index I, you see your number is 5. Okay, sir. You see, okay, there are two possibilities. Two valid good parts can end here. I can see that. Okay, 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 okay. So, guys, if everything from J to I is good, if you know that this is good, then guys, which part do you check if J to I is good? Which part do you check if J to I is good? Everyone write in the chat. DPJ minus 1. So guys, instead of storing bj plus j comma frequency, what if I store bj plus j? What if I store bj plus j comma the result? Result tells you, see, 9, 5, 14. You know that 9 is coming how many times? One time. 5 is coming two time, 14 is coming one time. Instead of storing the frequency, what if you store that is the part before that correct or not? bj plus j should be stored with the result dpj minus 1. तो एक झटके में पता चल जाएगा, is there any part which is having before that part also as valid or not? So brilliant, oh my god. So here only you check and tell me, guys, if for 9 you consider j minus 1, everyone write for the number 9, what will be j minus 1 for the number 9? Tell me in the chat. What will be j minus 1 for the number 9? It will be 0. So dp0 is always true. dp0 is always true. So you can say that if the bj plus j is 9, then at least one time it is becoming true for sure. For 5, there are two possibilities now. Okay, so you need to be a little careful. Okay, so one possibility is that 5 is coming at index 2. So guys, for this 5, what is dpj minus 1? For our 5, what is the j minus 1 value? कुछ भी चोमू जैसे मत लिख देना, सही आंसर लिखना है, तो बहुत पिटाई होगी, इतनी पिटाई होगी याद भी नहीं आएगा आपको. ये जो 5 है इसके लिए j माइनस 1 क्या है? इसका j2 है, दिख नहीं रहा? कहां पर से पढ़ के आए हो? डोंट टेल दैट यूर कुमार के स्टूडेंट टू एनीवन. या गुड 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 गुड, नाउ यू कैन टेल. सो j1 है, तो भाई अगर इफ, ओहो, please try to understand carefully. I am putting way too much effort in explaining you these basic things. Anyways, I will keep on putting the efforts as much as possible. So the thing is, ये तो आपको भी पता है कि सदियों तक आपको ये इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन कोई पढ़ाने नहीं वाला. आप उसको 2 लाख रुपया दोगे तो भी वो आपको रोज बैठ के 3 घंटा नहीं पढ़ाएगा. तो मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो उस पर थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए. Everyone write ready in the chat if you are ready. Write ready fast. जल्दी लिखिए chat में. Ready? Now going back. So whenever the number is coming 5, there are two occurrences. So let's consider this guy. So for index 2, this will be your j, right? So dpj minus 1 will be this. Guys, is dp of 1 true or false? Tell me. dp1 ट्रू है कि फॉल्स है? क्या पहला नंबर वैलिड है क्या? नहीं, वैलिड ही नहीं. 8 के बाद 8 नंबर थोड़ी है. So dp1 is false. So 5 should be cut and written as false. 5 should be cut and written as false. But always give them a benefit of doubt. हो सकता है दूसरा 5 ट्रू हो जाए. So let's check the other 5. Guys, for other 5, what is the j index? What is the j index? j index क्या है? नंबर नाम लिखो उसका. 3 है. तो ये वाला पार्ट तो तुम्हारे हिसाब से ट्रू हो गया भाई, बट ये वाला पार्ट ट्रू है क्या? बोलिए बोलिए. यू गॉट इट राइट, यू गॉट इट राइट. सो ये वाला तो ट्रू नहीं है, तो अब क्या करेंगे? अगेन फॉल्स. सो गाइज, दो बार कर लिया तो भी फॉल्स ही आया. अगेन फॉर 14 ऑल्सो, आई थिंक दैट दिस इज नॉट गोना वर्क. सो 14 ऑल्सो इज फॉल्स. 14 ऑल्सो इज फॉल्स. 14 also is false. So now when your I is equal to 5, guys, when your I is equal to 5 in hash map, which key you will check? First key, second key or third key when your I is 5? Tell me in the chat. Which key you will check? यू विल चेक 5 ना. 5 कहां पर आ रहा है? यहां पर. फिर क्या देखोगे? अरे 5 का तो आंसर ही पॉसिबल नहीं. मींस इफ यू ट्राई टू मेक द लास्ट पार्ट गुड, the front part will, the remaining part will not be good. So false, it means the false. Everyone write brilliant in the chat if they understand this brilliant explanation, that if you store in the hash map bj plus j comma dpj minus 1, now what is going to happen is that whatever is this value, let's say 5, you know that if whenever the number, whenever bj plus j is coming as 5, its answer is false. So if your current index is 5, you can make up in your mind that yeah, my current index is 5, and with some index j I am making a good part, good, because that exists here. But even after making good part, the rest of the part of this is false. So it will still not be good. So first of all, you need to check if this is available or not. And if it is not available, that can also happen, na? Let's say your this is your hash map. You are at index 10. Guys, now what you will do? Is there any 10 key in the hash map? Tell me yes or no in the chat. तो 10 की ही नहीं है, बाय डिफॉल्ट आंसर फॉल्स हो जाएगा. समझे? Whoever has a deep hash map knowledge must have understood till now. Right? Yes, understood. If understood to you. Okay. If you anyone has any doubt, they can always ask me. Okay. So guys, पहले थोड़ा सा चीज़ों को लिख लेते हैं, ठीक है? कोड कर लेते हैं. So guys, how will we optimize that? Can anyone tell me in the chat? We have to optimize it using a hash map, special hash map. Okay. You have to write the codes yourself, but I am just making it easy for you. So, what you will do here? Let me check. Let me check. So you just want DP. So guys, now what you will do first? Let's say your hash map is K. Okay. Your hash map will store bj plus j comma dpj minus 1. So guys, write ready in the chat if you are ready. Your hash map एक झटके में बता देना चाहिए कि जब जब बीजे प्लस जे आया था तो उसका डीपी जे-1 क्या था। तो भाई अब मैं डीपीआई कैसे निकालूंगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू चेक if I is present in the hash map or not. Okay, so if I is present in hash map, then I will do something else further. If I is present in hash map, guys, what I have to do? Check if hash map of I, if bj plus j is equal to true, then you can say that dp of I is also true. Else dpi false. और गाइज अगर वो की ही नहीं मिली तो मतलब लास्ट का पार्ट भी गुड नहीं बन सकता. So see guys, you can see the deep meaning. If I is present in the hash map, matlab you have found some index j such that j to I is good. And if hash map of I is true means 1 to j minus 1 is good found. Okay. This is so brilliant. Only very deep people can realize. Or else dp of I, ये मैं आपको क्यों इतना पढ़ा रहा हूँ? वो मैं आपको इसलिए पढ़ा रहा हूँ ताकि आपका बहुत डीप नॉलेज डेवलप हो जाए, इतना डीप कि कोई बीट ना कर पाए, ताकि रोज फैंग की सिलेक्शन देखने को मिले और लोग पागल हो जाए देखते देखते. सो नाउ गोइंग बैक, j to I good found and 1 to j minus 1 good found. So this is what full is good, 1 to I is good. Now guys, what to do? Can anyone tell me in the chat? If guys, what to do if I is not present in the hash map, then what will be the answer? अरे वो हैश मैप में ही नहीं है तो फॉल्स ही होगा ना. Now guys, you have to update the hash map also. Okay, so update the hash map. How you will update the hash map? Hash map of bi plus I, और सबसे पहले हैश मैप ऑफ जीरो को ट्रू डाल देना. ठीक है, मतलब dp ऑफ जीरो को जस्ट पुट इट एट ट्रू and rest all put them as false. Okay, so bi plus I equal to dpi minus 1. If dpi minus 1 is equal to true, then you put it as like this. If it is equal to false, then don't do anything. By default हम समझ लेंगे कि इसका सेटिंग नहीं होने वाला. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree कि भाई अगर पीछे का पार्ट ट्रू है तो ही हैश मैप में डालो. फॉल्स डाल के कौन सा पहाड़ उखाड़ रहे हो भाई आप? तुम ही सोचो. ये 8 है, ये 5 है, ये ट्रू है तो ही डालो ना. अब ये फॉल्स आने वाला है तो ये की को डाल के मतलब ही क्या, निकालो इसको. वैसे भी वो हैश मैप में प्रेजेंट ही नहीं होगा, अपने आप फॉल्स आ जाएगा. क्लियर? ओनली ट्रू गाइस यू कीप इट. सो इफ द प्रीवियस गाय इज ट्रू देन कीप इन द हैश मैप, और एल्स इग्नोर योर हैश मैप. वो ना के बराबर है. मतलब पता है तुमको, कभी कभी तुम्हारे मॉम डैड ने बोला होगा मैं तो तुमको अपना बच्चा ही नहीं मानती ना के बराबर। तो अगर फॉल्स हो रहा है तो फिर इसको डालो ही मत हैश टैग में, क्या मतलब डाल के। क्लियर। पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे तो वैसे ही होगा आपके साथ। इवन योर कुमार के सर विल टेल नहीं नहीं ये मेरा बच्चा नहीं है। अगर तुमने कभी अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं किया, क्रैक नहीं किया, तो मैं बोल दूंगा अरे ये कौन है, मैं नहीं जानता इसको। डू यू वांट सच थिंग्स टू हैपन? नो, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू स्टडी हार्ड, और एल्स आई विल आल्सो डिसोन यू। क्लियर। एनीवेज, गोइंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चन। सो गाइज, ये क्या लिखा है उन्होंने, इफ डीपीआई इक्वल टू ट्रू। अच्छा, पहले सब लोग अंडरस्टूड सीएलआर लिखो। हो गया ना, सब समझ आ गया? टेल मी द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी। इजी है, कुछ नहीं किया, एक ही फॉर लूप में सब हो गया। These are the brilliant optimizations I am teaching you. Your brain is expanding. Now, guys, time complexity O of n and space complexity O of n. But you can do it in O of 1 space also. Ha ha ha. Guys, what is the second type of optimization you can do? Everyone write in the chat. और कौन सा ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कर सकते हैं? ट्रैवल एरे बैकवर्ड्स। एवरीवन राइट इन द चैट। ट्रैवल योर ब्रिलियंट एरे बैकवर्ड्स। पीछे से ट्रैवल करेगा, पीछे से। So guys, do you understand why traveling backwards is the best solution? Can anyone tell me in the chat why? Arshdeep, you must be knowing at least. I have high hopes from you, Arshdeep. So guys, जब पीछे से ट्रैवल करते हैं ना तो क्या होता है मैं बता देता हूँ आपको। Everyone write feeling in the chat if they can feel that Kumar K sir has traveled from N till I in the backward order. पूरा फीलिंग लिखो। सो गाइज, हियर व्हाट विल बी द मीनिंग ऑफ डीपी ऑफ आई? डीपी ऑफ आई विल टेल ट्रू और फॉल्स फॉर द एरे ऑफ द सफिक्स पार्ट फ्रॉम आई टू एन। मतलब डीपीआई ये वाले पार्ट का आंसर बताना चाहिए, पहले प्रीफिक्स का बता रहा था, अब सफिक्स का। एवरीवन राइट सफिक्स 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 इन द चैट इफ दे रियलाइज कि अब डीपीआई ये वाले पार्ट का सही आंसर बताना चाहिए। फिर जब आई प्लस वन पर आएगा तो ये वाले पीछे वाले पार्ट का सही आंसर बनाना चाहिए। ऐसे करते करते स्टार्ट तक चले जाएगा, पूरा एरे का बता देगा। dp1 will be the final answer. Guys, if we travel from backwards, yes, guys, if we travel from backwards, what will be the final answer? Can anyone tell me in the chat? What will be the final dp answer? अगर पीछे से लेके आगे तक आए हैं तो dp of 1. Only आशीष खुराना gave the correct answer. अपनी दोस्त को बताना आशीष खुराना कि प्रोग्राम पूरा बिगिनर लेवल से ही चालू होता है, उसको पता नहीं है शायद। एनीवेज, गोइंग बैक, पूर्वान सिंह, यस करेक्ट। सो नाउ इफ वी कट ऑल दिस, नाउ गाइज यू ओनली टेल मी, you want to calculate dp of I, isn't it easy? You already know the first number, right? Easy in the chat. अरे जब पीछे से ट्रेवल करते हो तो तुमको पहले ही पहला नंबर पता होता है, 3 है, मतलब यहाँ के 3 नंबर ही लेने हैं, समझे? Write yes or no in the chat. So guys, the thing is that if you travel from backwards, na, if you travel from backwards, see what is the number here? 3 is there. So you will jump 3 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3. If this much part is valid, if dp of I plus 4 is valid, it means dpi is also valid. Job is done. Congratulations, solve the problem. 60 lakhs in your bank account. So अब मैं आपको थोड़ा और डीपली समझाता हूँ। Guys, you have to calculate if this much part is good or not. Everyone write ready in the chat if they are ready for it. Everyone write ready, 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 ready. So guys, again you will do partition DP only, na? What is the first number here? Everyone write in the chat. What is the first number here? Everyone write in the chat. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. Sir, यहाँ पर तो 3 है. So what you will do? You are forced to take this as the first part. Now there is no other option. You are forced. सब लोग लिखो forced, 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 forced. अरे आपको पता होना चाहिए, अभी कोई और चारा है ही नहीं. तुम आई पर हो, यहाँ पर 3 लिखा है, 3 के बाद 3 एलिमेंट ही ले सकते हो और कुछ नहीं कर सकते. आपको रोक दिया गया है, आपके हाथ बांध दिए. Forced लिखो, forced. So guys, you have been forced. This part is automatically good. React with emojis if you agree that whatever is the number you take those many elements, this part automatically becomes good. You agree with me? Now you just need to check if this is valid or not. So if dp of I plus 4 is valid, dp of I plus 4 tells you if everything from I plus 4 till n is valid or not. If this is true, अगर ये good है और ये good तो निकाल ही लिया तो ये पूरा भी good आ जाएगा. So the answer is simple. You just need to jump. Just jump बेटा, jump कीजिए. यहाँ पर 3 लिखा है ना. So if I plus 3, if dp of I plus this number 3 plus 1, which is dp of 4 equal to true, means if this much part is true, then this is already good. So dpi will also be good. So now guys, start our game. And now we write here, you can see the formula that dpn plus 1 is starting with the end and going till the start. Dpi return true such that it's possible to divide the array in good parts. If I plus bi plus 1 is less than equal to n plus 1 and dp of I plus bi plus 1 equal to true. देखो मैंने बोला था ना, अगर जंप करने के बाद वाला पार्ट भी ट्रू है तो तुम्हारा भी ट्रू है, नहीं तो फॉल्स. खत्म. और डीपी एन प्लस वन को ट्रू ही डिक्लेयर करना और डीपी एन को फॉल्स करना. लास्ट नंबर कैन नेवर बी करेक्ट ना. लास्ट में एक ही नंबर, एक अ सिंगल नंबर कैन नेवर बी अ वैलिड पार्ट. यहाँ पर कुछ भी लिखो उसको, उसके बाद नंबर चाहिए. 1 भी लिखो तो एक और नंबर चाहिए. जरूरत है आपकी, ह्यूमन नीड्स है. O of n time, yeah, O of n space लगाई DP array का, but in this case you were using extra O of n space of hash map also apart from DP array. Everyone write brilliant optimizations clear, brilliant optimization clear, brilliant optimization clear. You wanted these type of questions only in the course and program, yes or no? Write the chat in the chat. यही टाइप के क्वेश्चन चाहिए थे ना आपको, लिखिए. अब हम इससे भी ऊपर जाएंगे. So be ready. Now the super hard question is coming. This was the actual question asked in Uber. सोचो, अगर ये जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया, अगर आपको ये नहीं आता तो आप कोई भी हिसाब से ये क्वेश्चन कर ही नहीं सकते हो. That is the level of Uber OA. So now Kumar K student will be able to do it finally. So what is the Uber OA question? Let's start reading it. Okay, let's start reading. So hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. Now starts the brilliant moment. Question is, Uber OA is asking the same question, same as before. Sequence is considered harmonious if it can be divided into a series of groups and each group starts with a number that indicates the number of items in that group followed by exactly those many items. For example, the sequence 3 7 2 6 4 4 is harmonious because it can be divided in two groups, 3 7 2 6 and 2 4 4. The first group begins with the number 3 indicating 3 elements following it. The second group begins with number 2 indicating 2 elements following it. Similarly, the sequence 1 8 4 5 2 6 1 is harmonious. It can be divided into groups 1 8 4 5 2 6 1. The sequence 3 2 1 is not harmonious. Guys, write agreed in the chat if you agree that this is not harmonious. Harmonious, understand its meaning as a good one. Is this part not good? According to Uber, this is not good. Do you agree with it? When Uber is saying in English harmonious, na, this means good sequence. So guys, what is Uber telling you? In one element, extra condition more, you can remove any one element. What is the minimum number of operations required to make the sequence harmonious? Earlier, what they were asking, you just had to return yes or no. Yes means you can divide it in good parts. No means you cannot divide it in good parts. Everyone right agreed in the chat. If they agree that earlier the question was very easy, you just had to tell yes if you can divide it in good parts and no if you cannot divide it in good parts. It was that easy. Now, listen. Always love your mother. She is very important. Now, earlier question was easy. अभी क्वेश्चन में क्या चेंजेस आ गया, कोई मुझे बता सकता है? अर्लियर क्वेश्चन क्या था? अगर गुड पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हो तो यस लिखो और नहीं कर सकते नो. दिस टाइम इफ द आंसर इज नो, रिमूव सम नंबर्स फ्रॉम द एरे एंड मेक इट गुड. समझे? अगर ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है ना तो इसमें से कोई लोगों को निकाल दो बाहर और इसको अच्छा बना दो फोर्सफुली. अच्छा बनाइए. So this time the only change in the question is that minimum number of moves to make sure that the array can be divided in good parts. In one move you can remove any number. So I will show you some examples. So let's start it. Let's start with it. Please tell me guys, is this, can this be divided into a good part, yes or no? Everyone tell me in the chat. जो जो नो लिख रहा है वो गलत है. ये गुड पार्ट में, एक ही पार्ट में गुड में डिवाइड हो रहा है ना भाई. तुमको पार्टीशन नहीं समझ आते क्या? जरूरी नहीं है कि उसके अंदर पार्ट करने हैं. अगर ये पूरा भी गुड है तो भी गुड ही होता है बेटा जी. कौन सी दुनिया से आ रहे हो? यू नो दिस थिंग्स ना. कैन आई अज्यूम दैट यू नो दिस थिंग्स, यस और नो? 2 घंटे से समझा रहा हूँ, मुझे शौक लग जाएगा अगर तुमने नो लिख दिया अब तो. या सो नाउ गोइंग बैक. सो या दिस इज गुड. सो गाइज, हाउ मेनी ऑपरेशंस आर नीडेड टू मेक दिस गुड? जो ऑलरेडी अच्छा है उसको अच्छा बनाने में कितना ऑपरेशन लगेगा? दिमाग लगाना जरा. कोई ऑलरेडी कुमार के का स्टूडेंट है, उसने 50 लाख का जॉब क्रैक करके रखा है, तो उसको 50 लाख की जॉब के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा. जीरो जीरो ऑपरेशंस. क्लियर? ओके, ही विल पे अटेंशन Targaryen. So guys, zero operation. Now I will change the question for you to make it a little difficult. Tell me guys, is this good? Yes or no? Tell me in the chat. Is this good? Is this good? Is this good? Can you divide it in good parts? No, you cannot divide it in good parts. Can you do some operation? Can you do some operation to make it good? Can you delete some number to make it good? Can you delete some number? That's what Uber is asking you. Given an array, can you delete some numbers such that this becomes good? Delete minimum number of numbers. Guys, which number should we delete to make this good? You know the answer. 85 को निकालिए. निकालिए. निकाल दिया सर. Now is this good? कबाब में हड्डी को removed. Is this good now? Yes. So what is the minimum number of operation required? Total brilliancy going on in Kumar Kesar program. Oh my goodness, one is the answer. Can I now assume? Can I now assume that everyone in the meeting understood the problem? All the 40 plus people who are attentively listening to me. Amit Jagirdar, reply कब करोगे? आपकी एज अभी भी छोटी है, आप बुड्ढे नहीं हुए हो. चैट में रिप्लाई कीजिए. सोना नहीं है, सोना नहीं है. Now going back to the session. So those things are clear and that is also clear. Yeah. Good. Great. So guys, you have understood. Okay, you have understood. In one move, you can remove any number. Okay, well. Okay. Guys, do you agree that we will again have to use the same DP concept to solve this? Right? Yes or no in the chat? Right? Yes or no in the chat? Do you agree that we will again have to use the same kind of concept here? So Amit Jagirdar And everyone, when you are at number I, guys, there are only two options. Can anyone tell me what are the two options? DPI should tell you the best answer to solve for here till the last index. What can you do with the I number? There are only two options. Either you can keep it or delete it. Guys, what are the two options? Either you can keep it or delete it. So guys, if I delete this, then what will be the answer? DP of I is nothing but the minimum number of moves such that I to n becomes good. So guys, अगर इसको delete कर दिया तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? Nothing but the best answer for DPI plus 1. अरे done. Delete option is easy. Do you guys realize that everyone right delete option is easy? If they realize कि delete किया तो इसको निकालो और just write it is nothing but the number of ways to make I plus 1 to n good plus 1. Okay, one operation was needed to delete. So आई एम डेवलपिंग अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग आर्मी. ये जिन भी लोग को मैं पढ़ा रहा हूँ ये बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग हो जाएंगे. फिर ये लोग जिंदगी भर महंगे ऑफर क्रैक करते रहेंगे, बार बार सिलेक्शन पोस्ट पे सिलेक्शन पोस्ट. लोग देख देख के थक जाएंगे, हर महीने सिलेक्शन पोस्ट. एनीवेज गोइंग बैक. सो इंडेक्स आई गोइंग टिल एन. सो गाइज प्लीज टेल मी, if you delete, what is the formula? Only intelligent people can tell me. If you delete the ith number, what will be the formula? One operation is used in deletion and the best answer from of to make I plus 1 to n good. So dp I plus 1. 1 plus dp I plus 1. 1 is nothing but one move which was used to delete this number. dp I plus 1 tells you minimum number of moves to make I plus 1 to n good. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that one part of formula is 1 plus dpi plus 1. So see, you can see here one part is 1 plus dpi plus 1. Everyone react with emojis if they agree with what I am showing to them, the blue color part. If you delete it will be 1 plus dpi plus 1. सब मानते ना मेरी बात को? But guys, do you know what is the hard part? Can anyone tell me in the chat what is the hard part? What if you don't delete? अब डरना मत, अब डरना मत. This is your index I. If you don't delete it, don't delete, then what is gonna happen? Can you tell me? Then students are saying, sir. मैं बताऊं बच्चे लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं? अर्शदीप, अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि ये सेशन में क्यों ले रहा था. अर्शदीप, आर यू देयर? राइट yes or no in the chat. Are you available? Are you available, Arshdeep? Now you will know what happened last time and what fix needs to be done this time. So, अगर यहाँ पर I पर 3 लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है बच्चों? ओके जी, ओके सर. So guys, what is everyone thinking? Everyone is thinking that only ना कि सर इसको तो डिलीट नहीं कर सकते, तो सर ये 3 नंबर को ऐसे ही रखेंगे and the answer will be nothing but what? You will not delete anything here, so no extra operation for deletion. So dpi will be nothing but what? This is I plus 1, I plus 2, I plus 3 and I plus 4. Arshdeep and everyone write yes if they agree that if you don't delete anything, then this is nothing but dpi plus 4. The number of ways to make I plus 4 to n good is the only number of ways, because here you are deleting nothing. After 3 you are keeping the 3 numbers. Does everyone agrees with this? Yeah, obviously. So guys, यही दो फॉर्मूला है. तो यहाँ पर क्या लिख दिया आपने? 1 plus dp I plus 1 and other option is if you don't delete it then you just need to check if I plus b I plus 1 is good, or like the minimum number of ways to make I plus b I plus 1 till n good or not, and no 1 plus extra needed because you're not deleting anything. This is the simple formula. So guys, do you think इतने से काम हो गया कि कुछ पिक्चर बाकी है? तुमको क्या लगता है? क्या बस इतना ही होगा काम? क्या लगता है? ऐसा देखने में तो यस लग रहा है. बट डू यू थिंक इज देयर सम सस्पेंस इज मिसिंग, राइट यस और नो इन द चैट. अगर इतना ही होता तो मैं तुमको 2 घंटे तक सेशन नहीं पढ़ा रहा होता. समथिंग इज मिसिंग फॉर श्योर. डू यू वांट टू सी द टेस्ट केस विच विल ब्लो अर्शदीप्स माइंड, राइट यस और नो इन द चैट. डू यू वांट टू सी द टेस्ट केस. अब तुम डर जाओगी. अब ध्यान से देखना, ये जो तुम्हारा लॉजिक है ये इसमें फेल होने वाला है बेटा जी. गाइस, 3 को आप नहीं डिलीट करना चाहते, राइट? अच्छा, राइट यस इन द चैट हु हैज सीन द फेलियर अहेड ओनली. कैन यू सी द फेलियर ऑफ दैट इन दिस टेस्ट केस. इसमें 3 को डिलीट नहीं करोगे तो तुम्हारा वो चलने नहीं वाला जो तुम सोच रहे हो. ज्यादा खुश मत हो. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लॉजिक, बहुत लोगों ने देख लिया होगा, राइट? या नहीं देख पाए? चलो दिखा देता हूँ. सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? दिस इज i+1, दिस is i+2, this is i+3, and this is i+4. Well, this is 3, right? So let's say you are not deleting it. Then what will happen? You will take these 3 numbers and you will say, sir, answer is nothing but DPi+4. The minimum number of deletions required to make DPi+4 good. अब भाई ये क्या, ये भाई साहब क्या ही गुड बनेंगे, ये तो एक ही नंबर है. इट विल टोटली फेल, इट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू. Yeah, so you can obviously delete that and get it done, but this can become good if you don't do what you have written in the formula. Can everyone see, guys? What can we do? We can delete this 55 which you are not considering in the formula. जब तुम यहाँ पर 3 बोलते हो, तुम 3 नंबर क्यों ले रहे हो? उसके बाद के भी तो कुछ नंबर डिलीट कर सकते हो ना. Everyone write yes in the chat if they agree that this should be entertained. What should be entertained? यहां पर भले ही कोई भी नंबर लिखा हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो नेक्स्ट 5 नंबर ही होने चाहिए. हो सकता है कि इसको इसको डिलीट किया हो तो 1 2 3, अभी यहां पर और 2 लेने पड़ेंगे. लिखो ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट या फिर लिखो माइंड ब्लोन माइंड ब्लोन. इट मीन्स बेसिकली आफ्टर 5 numbers, whatever their 5 numbers are there, here also deletion operation can happen. माइंड ब्लोन. अर्शदीप राइट माइंड ब्लोन. अगर आपको पता चले कितना बड़ा दिक्कत था इसके अंदर. So the problem comes from here. The problem is finally you will know that even that formula works. But the thing is that ये बीच के नंबर भी डिलीट कर सकते हो. जैसे ये 3 है. गाइस, क्या आप लोगों को पता चल गया क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ है क्वेश्चन के अंदर? लेट्स से यू डिसाइड नॉट टू डिलीट इट. तो तुम क्या समझ रहे हो कि ये बात के 3 नंबर ही लूंगा मैं? तो भाई मैं तो बहुत स्मार्ट हूँ. नहीं भाई, ऐसा नहीं है. हो सकता है कि तुम इसको डिलीट कर रहे हो, तो 1 2 3 इन तीनों को लिया और ये गुड बन गया और ये गया. So you need to make the formula in such a way that you even consider the middle deletions. Everyone write, guys. Middle deletion, middle deletion, middle deletions. So this formula does not consider the all kind of deletions visually. So the correct one. So guys, are you interested in knowing the correct formula? Yes लिखो चैट में, बता दूंगा. ये 3 है, ठीक है. गाइज वी आर गोइंग टू गो इन मरियाना ट्रेंच. एवरीवन राइट प्रॉमिस कि वो नहीं डरेंगे, वो आराम से डाइजेस्ट कर लेंगे जो भी मैं उनको दिखाने वाला हूँ. एवरीवन राइट यस इन द चैट इफ दे विल नॉट फियर एंड दे विल डाइजेस्ट वॉट एवर आई एम शोइंग देम. राइट यस एंड प्रॉमिस. So guys, if you have decided not to delete it, well, then your formula is DPI. Obviously, one option is what? Just take these 3 numbers. अरे एक बार ये भी ट्राई तो कर सकते हैं ना, राइट yes or no in the chat. ट्राई तो कर सकते हो ना कि ये 3 नंबर है और लेट्स से हमने डिलीट नहीं किया, वही बेस्ट था. ठीक है, लेट्स अज्यूम दिस वाज द बेस्ट. सो इन दैट केस i+4, दिस विल गिव यू द बेस्ट आंसर ना. द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ वेज टू मेक i+4 to n good. ओके, दिस इज वन ऑफ द ऑप्शन. यस अर्शदीप. तो जिनको प्रिजर्व कर रहे थे बीआई वाला सेक्शन, उसमें भी डिलीशन अलाउ कर दो. हाँ. सो गाइज, Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that dpi equal to dpi plus 4 is one of the possible answer. एक आंसर है कि भाई तीन के बाद तीनों नंबर को रख लिया और डिलीट नहीं किया और ये बात बाजू का पार्ट. एवरीवन राइट अग्रीड. एवरीवन राइट अग्रीड इन द चैट. जल्दी लिखो इफ दे अग्री दैट दिस इज वन ऑफ द फॉर्मूला. अब दूसरा दिखाऊंगा और आपका दिमाग एकदम फ्रेश हो जाएगा. Another formula is that you will select four numbers here. This is I plus phi. Answer will be what? dpi plus phi. Best way to solve this much part such that any one random number from here is deleted. 1 plus oh right. Congratulations in the chat if they have understood the formula. जब भी आगे वाला इंडेक्स ले रहे हो ना तो ये वाले पार्ट में से मन घड़त वैसे भी कोई एक नंबर तो निकालना ही पड़ेगा तभी तो 3 वाला प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड होगा. So either dpi plus 4 or 1 plus dpi plus 5 or 2 plus dpi plus 6 because this range is getting big. If this is starting from I plus 6 then you need to delete two numbers from here to make sure that there are only three numbers after 3. Right, brilliant, congratulations. अगर आप आपको सब समझ आ गया है कि क्या चल रहा है. मजा आ गई है. ओ अब समझ आया. माइंड ब्लो अब हुआ. सो गाइस बात यह है कि अगर आप i प्लस 5 से उठाएंगे तो यहाँ के चार में से कोई एक नंबर तो उड़ाना पड़ेगा ना. तो कोई भी एक को उड़ा दो. हमको क्या पड़ी है. हमको तो बस एक ऑपरेशन ऐड करना है. 1 प्लस डीपीआई प्लस 5 और 2 प्लस डीपीआई प्लस 6 और देर आर मैनी 3 प्लस डीपीआई प्लस 7. ऐसे सारों को कंसिडर करना है जी. So guys, can anyone now tell me the final formula? How will it look like? Mind blowing, great explanation. Yes, I know that. So now guys, what is the final formula? DPI, if you decide to delete it, it is 1 plus DPI plus 1. If you decide to not delete it, then it is DPI plus B of I plus 1 or 1 plus DPI plus B of I plus 2 or 2 plus ये मतलब these are the number of numbers the integers you are deleting from the starting part. Okay, और ऐसे करते करते एंड तक जब तक वो लिस्ट एंड ना हो जाए. So guys, let's start implementing this formula now. Okay, so just be ready. Mind blown, mind blown. So guys, now अब चलो राइट कोड 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 इन द चैट. अब कोड लिखना है इसका. कोडिंग करिए. So jdoodle and now we come here. So the thing is that guys what is dpn plus 1 is always true, right? और dpn plus 1 it's 0 एंड dpn गाइज अगर सिर्फ एक ही नंबर को लेंगे तो क्या होगा. एक ही नंबर को अगर लेंगे तो उसको गुड बनाने के लिए शायद एक ऑपरेशन लगेगा ना. उसी को निकाल देंगे राइट. अगर एक ही है तो उसको ही निकाल देंगे और क्या कर सकते हैं. और तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते. तो आई थिंक ये भी केस इसमें दिया होना चाहिए. अब नहीं दिया है तो लेट्स अज्यूम ही कर लेते हैं गाइज. ओके, because we don't have all the test cases, so let's say this is one. I am not sure but let's say this will be correct, don't worry. Anyways guys, now listen to me very carefully. अब ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. What is the formula? One formula is 1 plus Guys, what is one formula if you don't delete anything? 1 plus dpi plus 1. If you delete the ith element. Now guys, what is the next formula? Please tell me in the chat. What is the next formula? Other option is, it can be dp of I plus b of I plus 1, right? So let's define j as b of I. So क्या है, वो थोड़ा छोटा दिखेगा. और let's define l as b of I. तो b of I की जगह l लिखूंगा, थोड़ा अच्छा दिखेगा. But guys, there can be multiple options, right? It can be either this or 1 plus dp of I plus l plus 2 or 2 plus dp of I plus l plus 3. Everyone write agreed in the chat if v is minimum of all the possibilities. And what is your dpi? Mean of u comma v. Well, we have solved the brilliant problem. But guys, how will I take the minimum of so many numbers? सर आई प्लस वन अंदर होगा ना. हाँ, कुछ समझा नहीं, क्या बोल रहे हो. हाँ ठीक है भाई, ओके. So guys, please tell me, how will I take minimum of so many numbers? Any idea? I will tell you. For loop g equal to I plus l plus 1, the point from I start till g less than equal to n plus 1. क्योंकि n plus 1 तक भी जा सकते हो. हो सकता है कि ये आपका जो ये जो था ना, हो सकता है ये 5 है और यहाँ पर 5 एलिमेंट्स आ गए. दिस इज I plus 1, I plus 2, I plus 3, I plus 4, I plus 5. तो I plus 5 plus 1 तो यहाँ पर बाहर आ जाएगा. So this part is always good ना. That's why I'm writing dp n plus 1 as equal to 0. Means this is good. No extra operations are required. Okay. So Arshdeep, uh, G plus plus. So guys, how do we take mean of all of them? All those dpg values I take them as minimum. Okay. I will declare dp as v as a very big number initially. Okay. Int max. So I've taken all the mins. Okay. But guys, this is not correct. You know now you have to add the index number also. बड़े धोखे है इस प्यार में. सो गाइज, यहाँ पर सिर्फ इतना लिखने से काम नहीं बनेगा. फॉर्मूला में आगे नंबर भी है. डोंट फॉरगेट दैट. ओके. वेल या सी हियर इट इज प्लस 0 प्लस 1 प्लस 2. तो 0 से एडिंग चालू किया जाए. y plus dpg and y will keep on increasing. Such a brilliant problem, man. Such a brilliant problem. Okay. So guys, everyone start writing done in the chat. Problem has now been solved. And you will print dp of n. And now you can say that, yeah, you have done something worthwhile. Now you can say this is Kumar K session, okay? But अगर मैं अभी आपको बोलूँ कि बेटा क्वेश्चन अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, तो आपको कितने वोल्ट का झटका लगेगा? चैट में लिखिए. एन स्क्वायर है बेटा जी, एन स्क्वायर. समझ आया? लग गई आपकी. एकदम सही हुआ आपके साथ. अभी तक काम नहीं बना है. या 440 वोल्ट, वेरी ग्रेट सर, बिना ये के भी कर सकते हैं। हाँ, अरे नहीं चलेगा, लिखने दो ना, क्या जाता है, अच्छा लग रहा है ना, एक एक वर्ड अच्छा लगता है दिखने में, लिखने दो मुझे। ठीक है, पहले जीरो ऐड करेंगे, फिर 1 2 3। पहली बात गाइज, एवरीवन राइट यस इन द चैट इफ एटलीस्ट दिस इज क्लियर, दिस कोड इज करेक्ट नाउ। प्लीज एवरीवन वेरीफाई एंड राइट इन द चैट। ये कोड सही है कि नहीं चेक करो, मैं इधर पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ, सलमान खान प्लीज चेक, प्लीज चेक इफ इट इज करेक्ट। अज्यूमिंग आप नशे में नहीं हो, प्लीज चेक प्रॉपरली। इसको अभी डाइजेस्ट करने में टाइम लगेगा। सो गाइज प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट इज द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ दिस O of n into n। वेल यू डिड दिस ग्रेट जॉब, उबर इज रियली हैप्पी विद यू, बट आपको 60 लाख रुपए नहीं मिलेंगे। आपको लगता है एन स्क्वायर में काम चलेगा? सच सच बताना दिल पे हाथ रख के, भले ही कंस्ट्रेंट हमको नहीं पता है। अब कोई दूसरा टीचर होता क्या बोलता, गाइस कंस्ट्रेंट इज नॉट रिटन गाइस, एन वाज स्मॉल, तो चलो सोने जाओ। नहीं बेटा, आपको ओ ऑफ एन में करना पड़ेगा अनफॉर्चुनेटली। So, guys, you have to do something now. Now, I will give you a benefit of doubt. Use your own brain and tell me which for loop should be optimized. कहीं तो दिक्कत है, कहीं तो दिक्कत है। अगर इसको निकाल लिया, काम खत्म, 60 लाख रुपया इन द बैंक अकाउंट। सो नाउ guys, can you see something here, or only I am able to see? Please tell me, can you see something special in this formula? What is dp of I generally? There is a value j, let's say j equal to b of I, or let's say l equal to b of I. Then what is the answer? They are saying that the answer is nothing but dp of l, minimum of dp of l plus 1. They are saying answer is minimum of all of them. Guys, do you know any O of 1 method to find the minimum of all the numbers in the range L to N? You know DPL also, you know DPN also. You are at index I. You want to know minimum of all the DPs of here. Can you not find the minimum? Did your Kumar K sir not teach you how to find the minimum of numbers of a suffix? आपको सिखाया गया था बेटा जी, आपको बताया गया था। अरे प्रायोरिटी को निकालने की क्या जरूरत है? Suffix of L will tell you the minimum of DP numbers from L to N. Now, guys, please tell me yes if you understand how to find the minimum. नहीं आता तो सच सच बोलो, नहीं आता तो बता दूंगा. So, listen to me carefully for the people who don't know. Listen, listen. You will just create a suffix array. This is your DP array, okay? N minus 1, N minus 2, N minus 3. Let's say till L, okay? ये इसके अंदर नंबर है। अब आपको क्या बोल रहा है क्वेश्चन कि फाइंड द मिनिमम ऑफ dpl comma till dpn. Any index l will be given, you have to tell the minimum of this suffix part. इसका मिनिमम 0 है, राइट? तो कैसे आएगा बताता हूं. You just create a suffix array will tell you the minimum till that index. तो कैलकुलेट द मीन ना, 5, 8 और 5 का मिनिमम कितना आता है? 5, 2 5 का 2, till here the minimum is 1, till here 0, till here 0, till here 0. Suffix of L will tell you the minimum of all the dp values from dpl till dpn in O of 1 time. If you keep on calculating the suffix array simultaneously as you are going backwards. Write brilliant in the chat if you understand that. बट गाइस, अभी आपको कितने वोल्ट का झटका लगेगा कि मैं आपको बताऊं ये भी काम नहीं करने वाला. दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन. आपने फॉर्मूला शायद ध्यान से नहीं देखा. फॉर्मूला क्या था? क्या फॉर्मूला में सिर्फ इसका मिनिमम निकालना था कि बाजू में भी कुछ था? सोचिए. Was the formula only this much, guys? Or was there something else? There was something else. There was some constant after each number. Oh ho, दुख खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. Do you now realize this? Why is this such a great problem? At every step you will face problem in this problem. That's why this is the great problem of all time. So obviously, सोचो जो मेरा डीपी कोर्स जो ऑलरेडी इतना औसम है उसमें जब ये क्वेश्चन जाएगा तो और कितना अच्छा दिखेगा. वेरी हार्ड टू बीट इट. So guys, what is the actual formula? Here you add a 0. Here you add a 1. Here you add a 2. Here you add whatever. So guys, आपको मिनिमम किस चीज का चाहिए? कभी भी कोई रेंज बोलो तो दिस इज एल, दिस इज एन. तो आपको क्या चाहिए एक झटके में? यू वांट कि भाई डीपीएल निकालो, डीपीएल प्लस वन निकालो, सब निकालो आप डीपीएन तक. वेरी गुड. बट भाई इसके साथ जीरो ऐड करना, इसके साथ वन ऐड करना, आप इसके साथ टू ऐड करना, इसके साथ थ्री ऐड करना, 4 5 6 7. फिर मुझे मिनिमम बताओ. बट दिस इज नॉट इजी. ये इजी नहीं है. बिकॉज फॉर एनी अदर एल उसका जीरो तो यहां से चालू होगा, ऐसे करके लास्ट तक जाएगा. So guys, write yes in the chat if you realize that this problem is brilliant and it has many steps. Yes, Gaurav, you are correct. So only Abhirami has written yes. What about others? So Arshdeep, please tell me, and Mariam, please tell me, is there any way to find the minimum of all the DP values from L to N such that no extra constant is needed? सिर्फ DPL से लेके you have to find the minimum of DP, and this you can do using suffix array, right? Suffix array will tell you the min of these values in O of one time. I hope that's clear to you. Okay, now I'm going to show you something really, really brilliant. Everyone start writing ready, 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 ready in the chat. Guys, ये आपका डीपी एरे है. सब लोग लिखो, ये आपका कौन सा एरे? डीपी एरे सर. गाइस, ये आपका सफिक्स एरे बना रहे हैं. So guys, I am writing S of n as dp of n. So what will happen? S of n will tell you the value of dp of n. Great, great, great. I am writing S of n minus 1, S of n minus 1 as minimum of dp n minus 1, comma 1 plus dpn. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree that S of n minus 1 is correctly calculating what we want. जो भी यहाँ का नंबर है हम यही चाहते हैं ना कि ये नंबर के साथ जीरो ऐड हो और उसके बाद वाले नंबर के साथ वन ऐड हो और उसका मिनिमम आए. यस लिखिए अगर आप इस बात को मानते हैं तो. यस लिखिए. ओके ओके ओके. मीन्स somehow we have created this suffix array which is so brilliant that in here the value is dpn, and here the value is nothing but what? Here the value is dpn minus 1, minimum of dpn minus 1, comma 1 plus dpn. गाइस अब आप ही बताओ, जब आप n minus 2 में हो तो आप क्या चाहते हो? कोई बता सकता है? At n minus 2 you want what? Minimum of dpn minus 2, comma 1 plus dpn minus 1, comma 2 plus dpn minus 2. Everyone write yes, 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 yes in the chat. इफ दे अग्री कि भाई एट n-2 वी वांट दिस एक्सप्रेशन, सब लोग यस लिखिए। तो इसी को रीअरेंज करते हुए at s of n-2 the students are saying that they want dp n-2 comma 1 plus dp n-1 comma 2 plus dpn. Does everyone agrees that we want minimum of these numbers? आधे से ज्यादा लोग को फॉर्मूला दिख भी चुका होगा। रिएक्ट विद इमोजीज इफ यू कैन सी व्हाट आई कैन सी। रिएक्ट विद इमोजीज। नहीं दिख रहा है जो मैं देख सकता हूँ तो कोई बात नहीं, मत रिएक्ट कीजिए। या समटाइम्स यू आर लोनली। सो गाइस, this is nothing but minimum of dpn minus 2. Can I take the one common from here? 1 plus dp and 2 plus, ये तो 1 यहां पर कॉमन ले लो तो 1 plus mean of dpn minus 1 comma 1 plus dpn. Yes, mathematics. तुमको ये 3 नंबर का मिनिमम चाहिए था ना, तो मैंने ये 2 नंबर का जो मिनिमम है ना, इसमें से 1 को बाहर निकाल लिया, तो ये हो गया। और ये वैल्यू तो पहले ही पता है। You know the minimum dpn minus 1 comma 1 plus dpn. It is s of n minus 1. Right, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant again in the chat. If the final formula, now you will replace this minimum of dpn minus 1 comma 1 plus dpn, replace this by s of n minus 1. तो गाइस, लो फॉर्मूला आ गया। कोई भी सफिक्स पे आपको एक झटके में बता देगा यहां से लेके एंड तक मिनिमम क्या है, अगर 1 2 3 4 यहां से ऐड होना चालू हुआ है। सो दिस इज सो ब्रिलियंट, मुझे भी मजा आ चुका है। सो अ प्रॉब्लम टू इंटरेस्ट मी इट नीड्स टू बी रियली डिफिकल्ट एंड नाइस। ऐसे मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं लगता। सो दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट, दिस पार्ट इज s of n minus 1. So guys, s of n minus 2 is nothing but mean of dp n minus 2 1 plus s n minus 1. So s of I पूरा ब्रिलियंसी है इसके अंदर। तो गाइज s of I का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा बताइए? यहीं पर लिख के खत्म कर देते हैं। So let's think. Guys, can someone nicely write the formula of s of I? S of I is nothing but minimum of dpi comma 1 plus s of I plus 1. Okay. So yeah. Yes अमित, उसको सेव रखना। नहीं अमित, तुमने गलत लिखा है। अर्शदीप ने सही लिखा है। अर्शदीप तुमने भी गलत लिखा है। एस ऑफ आई प्लस 1 है भाई, एस ऑफ आई प्लस 1 है। अभी रामी ने सही लिखा है, मिनिमम ऑफ डीपीआई कॉमा 1 प्लस एस प्लस आई ऑफ आई माइनस 1। Okay, and guys, S of I will give you what? Can anyone tell me what is S of I giving you? S of I is giving you minimum of dpi comma 1 plus dpi plus 1 comma 2 plus, I'm sure you never seen sessions like this anywhere, 3 plus for any index till n। यही तो चाहते थे ना आप? तो जब कोई बोलेगा L से n का निकालो तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? It will be S of L। हा हा हा। So now let's do it। So कहां पर है अपना कोड, कहां गया? So here I wanted this answer, right? So this V is nothing but what? Just delete it, man. नहीं चाहिए, निकल। So V is what? DP of कहाँ से चालू करना था? Okay, L plus 1 से चालू करना था। So S of I plus L plus 1. This will directly give you what you wanted। ये आपको मिनिमम वैल्यू दे देगा ऑफ दिस मच पार्ट इन दिस फैशन। कितना ब्रिलियंट है ये चीज यार। मैथ्स इज ट्रूली नाइस थिंग, ग्रेट थिंग। सो लो हो गया, अब क्या करना है, बस एस को अपडेट करना है ना, कर देंगे, डरने की बात नहीं, रिलैक्स कीजिए। सो ऑब्वियसली एस ऑफ एन इज डीपी ऑफ एन, इसको मत भूलना। नाउ गाइज, हाउ विल यू अपडेट एस ऑफ आई? फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? मेन ऑफ dp of I comma s of 1 plus s of I plus 1. सो गाइज सबको समझ आ गया सोने के पहले? सब कुछ सही है? अब टाइम स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बता दो चैट में. टेक्स O of n टाइम and O of n space. And guys, now finally, I hope you enjoyed the session. Yeah, दो ही arrays. Only how many arrays are getting used? Two arrays. O of n plus n. Yeah, two n space. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed the session. Okay. Yeah. So let's stop the recording.